Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're back here working on the Cummins again. We posted a video a couple months back and we were changing out the cab lights on it, swapping it out for some LED cab lights, and we've done a lot more to it since then. As y'all can see, get a better look at it, we got the wides back on, rocking some Venom Power 37s, 1350s, and then as well as the wheels and the tires, we've also got wheel lights installed. We've got a Starlight headliner put up inside the truck. You know, a bunch of goodies that we've done to it. In today's video, we have Alpharex Lux series headlights, and these are the smoked gray color, I guess smoked black, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to be doing a time lapse. I'll show you the headlights before we get them put on. I'll get them out of the box and show them to you guys. And we're also going to be installing some Ford 6.4 grill lights. We've got the two strips that go across the top that connect with the LED strips on the headlights, as well as the pocket lights. As you can see right here, those little pockets. All right, y'all, we already have the plastic piece removed that covers up your fans, your radiators down here. And what we're going to do next is we have to remove this plastic piece right here. And what we have to do first is we have to take out these bolts, not those, these bolts, all the way around through here across the top. These are 10mm bolts, and then we have these rivets too that we're going to have to remove as well. So yeah, let's get right to it. Alrighty, so as y'all can see, we've got the next plastic piece off. Right there they are. So next what we need to do is you have to take off this bottom piece of plastic underneath the headlights. What you want to do is you want to get you something that you can pry the front out with, such as this. You want to push this in, pop this side out, because they pull out this way. You don't want to pull them out from the side, because if you pull them out from the side you can break it. So yeah guys, let's get this thing. Alright, so we got the side clips off here. So the next thing you want to do is you need to take this bolt out, this side bolt here, this bolt, this clip, this bolt, all these bolts that come across the top, and then same thing goes for this side. Take out those two and then work your way across. So y'all, we've got these bolts taken out all across there. Might want to give her a good cleaning up there. She ain't seen the this part through here hasn't seen the light of day since we bought it. But next up, what we got to do is there's some teeny tiny bolts back in here. Up through this way, you go up to the top, and they're like up in here, or maybe right through here. I'm not for sure exactly. It's the first time doing this, but what we have to do is we have to take those bolts out. That way we can remove this piece right here that stretches across the front, and then there's some bolts in behind these I'm pretty sure of that we will have to take off then, and we can continue to remove the whole front grille and then get to removing the headlights. So without further ado, see if we can find us an extension long enough to get up under this thing, get that bumper off, and let's get this grille off this way. So it turns out it's not just these two bolts we have to take off, we also have to take this one out, and then I think it should pop out. All right y'all, these are the Alpharex Lux series. Open the box up, I'll show y'all what we got. So right here, these are the new headlights. This is the left driver's side one. See on these right here that's different from those, well obviously the bulbs are LEDs in these. as well as the LED running light that circles around. And I'm not positive, but I'm pretty sure that they've also got some patterns when you use your turn signals and emergency lights, as well as locking and unlocking your doors. So yeah, we're looking forward to these. Let's work on getting these other ones out, putting these in. Alrighty y'all, we got the headlights out. Got some noises in the background, we don't worry about them. Got the headlights out though. There's the old, there's the new. Got parts scattered everywhere, but next up, we're gonna work on trying to get these baby girls wired up, get the new lights in. Let's get it. Alright y'all, got the lights put in. Haven't got them fully mounted yet, but we got them wired up. Had my dad help me out. What we done was, you see right here where we got the hot and negative tapped into the fuse box. Ran the wires to this light, ran them across up under here, ran it to that light. Stand back a little bit and let y'all get a good look at them real quick. And there's unlock. Now my phone's a little blurry. There's lock.
They clean it. Really?